Hi, today I will show you how to take a screenshot in Google Chrome. So first of all, you need to open the Google Chrome Web Store, and you will find this extension, Capture Web-Page Screenshot Entirely File Shot. Then you will click here, and here will be a button Add to Chrome. Then you will add to Chrome. Then you will see an icon here, has. You can click here, and to see this you will see these options under this icon. So if you want to take a screenshot in a Google Chrome, like if you want to take a screenshot and you open an image and you can't download that image, so you need to take a screenshot. So for example, I'm opening this page. This is YouTube page, and this is a video. And if you want to take a screenshot of this page, you need to click this icon, and here are the options. You can take a screenshot of your selection area, or you can take a screenshot of your entire page. So I'm going to select an area of this video area, and here it is. You can save the screenshot, save it, and it would ask you, would you like to open the target folder? I would say yes. And would you like to exit the editor? Yes. So here it is. You can see here you have downloaded that screenshot you have taken from the page in Google Chrome. So here it is. You can try to open it. Here it is.